Octane gang, what it do? I'm about to take out my steering wheel today. We're gonna swap the steering wheel out. I got a new one, listen. I got a new steering wheel. Swap it out. Pretty cool looking.
Camera recording.
Yeah, see my boys on the screen. About to get that easy dub. We playing. What's up, Charlie?
Lambo 2 and I'm speeding. Sunday she calling me baby. You don't need no meaning. Good gas got him fatty. Will it be me got him dreaming. All black got me trending. Red cool, red fending. Break the law, don't bend it. Say your money, don't spend it. Do the shit, don't think about it. Boy, your diamonds looking hella cloudy.
New steering wheel in. Pretty cool looking steering wheel. It ain't no Forgiato steering wheel, nothing like that. I ain't got Forgiatos yet. But pretty cool looking steering wheel. It's actually a Grant steering wheel that they I guess somebody on eBay done remixed it or whatnot. You know how that go. But got like a little Oldsmobile logo in the middle of it. Yes, so it look pretty cool. It's gonna look dope. Give it a nice sporty look and a better steering wheel than that factory one I got in there. So I ain't no mechanic. I've been watching hella YouTube videos on how to do it. So guess I can show y'all like a step-by-step maybe how to do it. But first thing first is getting that of course getting that horn pad out of there. I got the sports steering wheel, so I'm gonna do this next step. I'm gonna show y'all tell y'all what I did, how I did it. So once you get that horn pad off, you're gonna wanna see this the horn wire, whatever right here. You're gonna take this off, so you're gonna push it down. I don't know if you can see it good or not, but you're gonna wanna push it down, turn it. Hold on. That's how that come out, just like that. That's how you take that out. You're gonna need it. So save it. All right, so now, next thing you wanna do, take the wrench. There you go. This bolt right here, big one right here, we'll take that loose. Get that on up out of there. So, horn pad, horn wire, big bolt. Now here go the tricky part. You cannot, I repeat, you cannot snatch this wheel off. It's not gonna work like that. It's that tapered screw, whatever they call it, it's on there. So that's why you gotta go to the parts store, local parts store, let them know what kind of car you got. Let them know you want to swap out your steering wheel and go buy you one of these kits, like a steering wheel pulling kit, whatever you want to call it. You gotta buy one of these. You're gonna put this on there. I'm gonna show you how to do it, and that's what's gonna help you take this wheel out so you can put your new one on. All right, so it should look something like this with your pulley on there. Mine's isn't as even as I wanted it to be, and I'm gonna be honest with y'all. I ain't gonna lie to you, be transparent. But you want to get it as even as possible. Put those two bolts down in there. Run the thread through here to line up with that. And you're gonna hold on to the wheel. Take your ratchet, and you're gonna start tightening, and the wheel should pop right off. But mine's isn't as even as I want it to be, because I know if it's not even, it'll start pulling to one side. But I think this is probably about the best I'm gonna get it, and it should better at least get the steering wheel off. So I don't know. We're gonna see. We're gonna see here in a second. But yeah, that's how it should look, somewhere like this. Not better, you know. But this is the one I bought from Advanced Auto, so it's the right one. So seemed like it is. So we'll see here in a second.